To add a drawer cabinet, let's start by navigating through Add Product, Base, Base Drawer Cabinets, then selecting Base Drawers 3, which is a 3-drawer base unit. As you enter into the product, and like all other base units, here on the Specs tab you would make any modifications to the dimensions and supply methods of the product. Onto the actual drawers themselves. We can see that we've got all of our margins that we can set for our drawers, and by default, we can see that these 3 drawers have been spaced evenly. However, you have the ability to set these to whatever you desire by changing the style from auto height to fixed height and setting it to the size you require. For example, simply changing the top drawer height to 150 will turn this drawer into a cutlery drawer, but it will also now change the other drawer heights to be spaced out automatically, whilst also changing the drawer runner for your top drawer to be a more appropriate fit. Now that this is done, we can save the product, and we'll see that it has been factored into the current products in the cart and has also updated the total cost of the job. To extend on this, what we're going to do now is make a duplicate of this product by clicking the copy icon, but we're also going to add some notes and name this product Panels Only. We'll also set Drill Panels Only on this cabinet and click Save.